today's video, I'm going to show you how to build your very own real-time GPS tracker using NodeMCU and a Neo6M GPS module. And the best part, we will be tracking live location data straight to Google Maps, all without a SIM card. Let's get started. We use a NodeMCU board, Neo6M GPS module, and few jumpers. Let's connect jumpers to the GPS module. The wiring diagram is given in the description. You can refer to it. Connect the positive terminal to 3.3 volts or Win. Both you can connect. Before uploading the code, we need to create a new project in the Google Cloud for the Google Maps. Use always serial begin as 1,15,200. These will be printed when the Wi-Fi is connected. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more electronics and IoT tutorials every week.